What did the buyer say at this point since they have an anomaly in the ground?
I've only communicated with the buyer's agent. We haven't gotten a report back yet, so we're just waiting to see what the actual report says.
Normally, a situation like that, they're gonna have to investigate further. You know what that means, right? They gotta dig up the ground and figure out what it is. If it's a tank, we gotta deal with that situation, and you need proper permits in order to pull a tank. I always recommend, even if a tank's decommissioned, does everybody know what it means when a tank's decommissioned? They stopped using the oil itself and they emptied it out of the oil out of a tank and they filled it with sand. They want them pulled. Even when I have a seller that has a tank in the ground and it's been decommissioned, I advise them to pull it prior to putting it on the market. I had a property actually in Golden Crest. I told them to do that. They didn't believe me. There were so many offers that basically got crushed in AR because of his decommissioned tank. So many buyers were turned off. Guess what happened? They wound up taking the tank out after 60 to 90 days on the market. What happens to a property? Not as attractive, is it? That is something you definitely want to get out of the ground. It's not that crazy of a process either. I can tell you, I personally had an underground oil tank and it was pulled, but we got to figure out what it is.